Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to create a Trust Wallet for NFTs. First, download the official Trust Wallet application from your phone's App Store. Once installed, open the app and select Create a New Wallet. Carefully read and accept the terms of service. It's crucial to understand that you are solely responsible for the security of your recovery phrase, which grants access to your funds. This initial setup is quick and straightforward, getting you ready for the next important step. The most critical step is securing your recovery phrase. The app will display a 12-word phrase. Write it down precisely on paper. Do not take screenshots or store it digitally. This phrase is the master key to your wallet. Keep it in a safe, private place, perhaps a fireproof safe or a secure deposit box. Losing it means losing access to your NFTs and crypto, and sharing it means giving someone else full control. To buy NFTs, you'll need cryptocurrency in your Trust Wallet, typically Ethereum. Navigate to the Receive tab within the app and select Ethereum to view your unique wallet address. Copy this address carefully. Then, from another exchange or wallet, send your desired amount of Ethereum to this address. Always double-check the address before confirming the transaction. Remember to account for network fees, which can vary. With funds in your wallet, you're ready to explore NFT marketplaces. Connect your Trust Wallet to a platform like OpenSea or Rarible using the Wallet Connect feature. Browse collections, find an NFT you love, and proceed with the purchase. You'll approve the transaction directly within your Trust Wallet. Always verify the details before confirming. Also, for other great deals and to make meal prep easy with leak-proof containers, check the link in the description below. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.